In the black heart of the forest, Hiccup's invention whirs to life, a mechanical symphony echoing through the silent trees. A deafening bang shatters the night as a net explodes outwards, ensnaring a night fury in its deadly embrace. The magnificent dragon, a silhouette against the moonlit sky, plummets from the heavens, its fall a tragic ballet. As dawn breaks, painting the forest floor in hues of gray and gold, Hiccup cautiously approaches the downed night fury, a figure of sorrow and wonder.